guys, and welcome back to the Lazy Girls Kitchen. If you're new, I'm Maggie, and welcome. Today we are going to be making stuffed shells. This is kind of an updated version of my original recipe. I love it. The kids love it. It's a hit, and I know you guys, and I know you guys will love it. I hope you guys enjoy.
Mom?
Yes, yes, baby.
Wish that I could stay in this moment forever, so I can hold you in my arms. I will carry you on my shoulders as long as I'm able. Scare the monsters under your bed. Deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything I can for you. You will grow up in the blink of an eye and move out and be on your own. But no matter what comes your way, I will stay right here beside you to catch you if you fall. And deep and abiding, liking for you is all I need. Until my heart gives in, I will do everything